Hi everybody, this is Bonnie, and this is the video I want you to watch first before you start your Autumn Goodness class. So what I want you to do is I want you to go ahead and follow what I have done here. On the very vanilla, I have stamped in the soft suede one of the wheelbarrows and the wheelbarrow wheel. And then I stamped in soft suede, which looks very light because I did I stamped up the ink really good to make it would look like dark. Then I stamped off on a piece of scrap paper, and then I stamped onto this so it gives it a softer look. All right, then on a piece of the So Saffron paper that I'll give you, you just need to stamp the wheelbarrow itself in soft suede. So you're going to do it on the soft suede paper in soft suede ink. Then on the two pieces of Whisper White, I'm going to give you a whole sheet of this 5.5 by 4.5, and then I'm going to give you another half of Whisper White paper. And I'm doing this for packaging purposes. That's why I'm splitting them apart, because I have to mail some of these. So on the one, you want to stamp 5 or 4 of these. I stamped one by mistake. This one was meant to be for the vanilla, so you technically only need 4. You need 3 in the Memento black ink. Then you need 1 where you stamp off into the soft suede. You stamp off on scrap paper, then you stamp it on here. This was an extra one, my mistake. Then you're going to stamp in the Memento black ink. You're going to stamp the flowers. Then you're going to stamp 3, one on here, one on here, one on here, 3 of the corn stalks. You're going to stamp 3 of them in the Memento black ink. And then what we're going to do is we're going to color. So this you could do while you're watching TV or whatever, or when you just want to sit back and relax. Now all the corn stalks were colored in just the dark So Saffron. Now I'm going to color 1 pumpkin and the flower with you. And the pumpkin is done the same way in all of them. And then the flower, there's only 1. So I will color these 2 with you. I will zoom in, and I'll probably just maybe play some music or something and edit out all my voice. So I will get started. So let's zoom this in. Bonnie, and I somehow lost the footage to me coloring these pieces. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to point to the colors of everything that I colored and tell you the colors. And I'll leave a little list of I'll put the markers over here so you will know. Because I've only colored these 4 times now. Because then when I re-recorded it, I didn't hit the record button. So, oh, something. So anyways, I will explain as we go. This is Daffodil Delight. No blending, just straight dark Daffodil Delight. These purple ones are Rich Razzleberry in dark and light. All I did was color them all in light, then just hit some highlights in it with the Rich Razzleberry dark, and then went back over them with the light. That's all I did. I also did this in Rich Razzleberry light. Then these leaves right here and here and here are all done with the Old Olive light, just straight Old Olive light. All the rest of the leaves that you see are all done with the dark Old Olive. So that's what you need for the flower. And these are the colors that we used. I will put a little, see if you can get them in here. So we used Rich Razzleberry light and dark, towards me. And we used Old Olive light and dark. And then we used Daffodil Delight dark. So now after you have colored all your parts and everything, I want you to go ahead and I want you to cut out all your parts with the dies and get them all cut out, and then proceed to card 1 step by step from there as normal. Okay, I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.